Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria Riggins, and today we're going to build and review the Kidkraft So Stylish Mansion Wooden Dollhouse. So a little bit of information first. There's 42 lifestyle accessories that goes in the dollhouse, 3 levels and 10 rooms, open concept that allows 360 play, and it accommodates dolls up to 12 inches. So Barbie dolls could fit comfortably in this house. So the reason why I got this house, my girls love to play with the little people. But if you guys know that type of play, when you open up the house, the inside of the house is on one side and the front of the house is on the other. So they tend to fight on who sits directly in front of the inside of their house, so they have easy play access to all the rooms. I get it, but I'm telling you, it just never ends. So when I saw this dollhouse, I was like, I have to get it. They could play and feel like they're in front of the house on all angles of this house. Each is open concept, so everyone could access all the rooms, and there's really no reason to fight, which I'm pretty sure they'll find a reason to. But also, I love the colors because I know my son's gonna get up in the mix. So it's really, oranges, blues, yellows. So it's not too girly. The fact that Barbies could fit in it is awesome because I wanted to start getting my 3-year-old some Barbies. And the fact that she could use her little people in this dollhouse, Barbies, any type of doll really up to 12 inches was great. And the furniture is huge. About the furniture is made out of real wood. It looks lifestyle. I swear I want to live in this dollhouse. And the pieces are well made. The house is well made also. And the look of it, you would think it takes forever to build. It did take me a little bit because I was filming, but other than that, it's really fairly simple. Another good thing about this house being that it's so large and allows for 360 play, it's on wheels. So the kids can move it around easily. When they're done with it, they could roll it against the wall or in the corner. And if they want to switch rooms, again, they could just roll it to the next room. If you're wondering how much a house like this will cost you and where you could get it, so it cost us $198.39 plus tax to be exact, and we got it from Walmart. Amazon also carries it, and Target also carries it. And since it's after Christmas, it's on sale. So if you're interested, now is probably a good time to get it. To get an idea of how tall the house is, I have an almost 6-year-old and the house is taller than him. And if you're gonna have kids under 3 play with the house, just keep a good eye because of small pieces that they could possibly choke on. If you guys have any questions about the dollhouse, I'll be happy to answer them. Just leave all questions in the comment box and I will do my best to answer them as soon as possible. But I'm super excited for my girls to receive this for Christmas. I think they're going to love it, and it's going to allow them to use their imagination while playing. And if you have multiple children, I highly recommend it. The house is big enough for everyone to play. And just so you know, the house does not come with people. So again, Barbies could be used, but if you want to order people separately, that's what you're gonna have to do, because again, it does not come with people. And I'm going to put a video together, hopefully by this weekend, of me displaying all my gifts by the Christmas tree, and that will be the last of my holiday videos. But guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing and joining my YouTube family, and I will see you guys at my next video. By the time you see this video, it will be after Christmas, so I hope everyone had a wonderful Christmas, a great holiday, and I will see you soon. Bye.